How to fix email not working on iPhone. If your email is not working on your iPhone, whether it is not sending, receiving, or updating messages, don't worry, it is usually an easy fix. First of all, check your internet connection. The Mail app needs an active Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can also open Safari and visit any website to check your internet connection or try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also restart your router if you are using a Wi-Fi and reconnecting to your network. Then restart your iPhone. Press volume up plus side button, then slide to power off and wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. A quick restart often fixes background mail sync issues. After that, check mail account settings. Sometimes the email account gets signed out or it is password changed. So go to the settings, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps. Inside apps, scroll and look for the mail option available there. Simply tap on the mail. Once inside the mail, tap on the mail accounts option available there and simply check your account. If you see re-enter password, then sign in again. Or you can also try removing the account and re-adding it just to make sure. After that, go back to the settings again. Inside general, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone option available there. Then tap on the reset. Then tap on the reset all settings. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.